Okay, good morning, students, and we will continue with the revision work. First of all, we will discuss the revision test. Okay, students, there is one question. Write a function to read a text file data.txt and display number of words. Start with character A. So they are saying make a function. So one function. Inside the function, first we will open the file object. Name of the file is data.txt, and this is a text file and it is in reading mode. And after that, we will read the data. So for reading the data, we take one string variable w and use f dot read. It will read the complete data from the file. But if I'm using here split function here, it means it will split the data according to the different words. And now w will be the list in which different words will be as an element. ठीक है, different words element बन जाएंगे इसमें. Now we will use, I take one variable count equal to 0. We use for I in w. So in I there will be first word, then second, then third, like this. And if I 0 location is double equal to capital A, in that case we want to only count, not display the word. So I am taking here count is equal to 1, and after the loop print number of words, and we will display count. So this is the answer of first question. Ishni, it is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Next is, what is function? So function is a block of Python commands. It is a collection of Python commands having a unique name. Name the different type of functions available in Python. In Python, there are 3 type of functions are there. First function is built-in functions that are preloaded in the function. These are available in standard libraries. So for example, if we are using print or input, these are in standard library, so no need to call any type of module. Second type of function is module based functions, in which we will have to import the module, and in these modules reference of that particular function is defined. For example, if we want to use sqrt, we will have to import math module. Third type of function is user defined function. In this, user declare them according to requirement. So these are the this is the answer of second question. Write down any 4 parts of function. So students, in the case of user defined functions, the functions that are declared and that are declared by user, having the following different parts. Number 1, def keyword. Number 2, function name. Third is list of formal parameters. Then number 4, indentation. Number 5, body of a function. These are the different parts of your function, different parts of functions, and these threes are declared in function header. Okay, so next question is difference between tell and seek functions. Beta tell function will give us return the actual location of the cursor, where the current location of the cursor. But seek function will move our cursor to any particular location. So seek and tell basically used in the when we want to update any binary file. These are used. Tell function will give us the information about the current location, and seek function will move our cursor to the particular location. Next is there is a output function program in which function is used. So I am going to discuss that. So look at here. We have a formal parameter P and Q, actual parameter R and S, and there is a one problem here. R and S, these are private variables, so we will there will be error, so we will have to remove this error. We will have to place these two outside the body of a function. So after that, value of R will be 150 and value of S will be 100. So we call change function. We send R and S. The value of R will be received by P because of positional argument, and value of S will be received by Q. And then there is P is equal to P plus Q. It means value of P will be 250 and value of Q will be P minus Q. So value will be 250 minus 100. It is 150. So in screen, there will be 250 hash, then value of Q, that is 150. Now, after that, look at here. Then we this function return value P. So value P is 250 and 250 will be received by R. So this is important. So value of R will be changed. Previously, it was 150 and 100. But now value of R will be changed. It will be 250. So now we display value of R and S. So value of R will be 250 hash. Value of S will be remain as it is 100. Then we call change function again. We send only S. So as value of S will be received by P, that is 100. And value of Q is not given by user. So value will be 30. P will be 100 plus 30, 130. And Q will be 130 minus 30. It will be 100. Now there will be display P and Q. So value will be here. Look at here. 130 hash 100. So this is the answer. So Manvi, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So answer will be 250 hash 150, 250 hash 100, then 130 hash 100. This is the answer. There is an error. So it means you will have to mention this is the error. If you have a mention only the error, then you will get only half mark, means half mark, means one mark. And if you given the proper output after rectification, then you will get full marks. Okay, students, there is a one comprehension question. It is from binary file. This is from the board question bank. So board has given one question bank in which this question is given. So I will send this question bank to you better for your revision work. They are saying they are using two functions, add student, get students, and then there are some filling the blanks are there. First is write the module to import for binary file, to be imported for binary file. Okay, students, in fill in the blank one, here is module name for binary file. Any student, which module we will have to import?
Pickle.
Yeah, it is pickle. Okay, very good, better. Now, next question is, which command is used to open the file student.dat for writing only in binary format? So we are opening the file in writing mode, but mode of file is your mode is binary. ठीक है, और आपने writing mode में open करना है. So look at here. Here, first of all, see that here we have used F. It means file pointer will be capital F. So remember one thing. Here we use F dot close. It means file object name is F. So we will have to use this one in our program. So I am going to open this. And a student, tell me, what is the another name of file object? Any student, file object, another name? Ishmaneet.
So file object, other name.
File handle. It is called
Yeah.
File handle. Remember one thing. Okay. Now look at here. Statement will be F equal to open, then bracket start. Name of the file is not here, so we will have to check where is file name. File name is student.dat. So in double quotes, student.dat. This is the file name. And after that, they are saying we will open the file in writing mode. So in writing mode, file will be WB, B for binary. So this command is to open the file in writing mode. So next question is, which command is used to write the list L in the binary file? तो जो आपने लिस्ट क्रिएट की थी L, उसको बाइनरी फाइल में राइट करवाना है. For yes, student, tell me which function is used for writing the data in the binary file?
Sir, pickle or dump.
Yes. So it is pickle dot dump. ठीक है, तो dump function हम इसमें use करेंगे for writing the data in the file. But now tell me, so we will use here F dot pickle dot dump. So dump function will be used for writing the data. What you want to write? L. In which you want to write? In F. So this command is for writing the data in a binary file. Supriya, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now next question is, which of the following is not there? Because in your question bank, choice are given. but I am in my program, paper, I have not given any type of choice. Which command is used to read each character from the binary file? So for reading the data in binary file, so look at here. Here is a for reading the data. So student, tell me which function is used for reading the data? Manvi,
Sir, pickle.
yeah, it is pickle dot load. So how you can do this? Look at here. First, here is we have used here R. R means list. तो हमने यहाँ पे list R use की है. तो R is equal to pickle dot load and in bracket we will take F. तो F को रीड करके हम एक कोड को लोड करेंगे और R में सेव कर देंगे. R क्या होगी यहाँ पे? That will be the list. So next, these are the your questions from binary file. So any doubt in this? Students, there is another way for using your file objectives like this. So this is for short period. Otherwise F को आप बाहर भी यूज कर सकते हो, पर यहाँ पे आप F के अंदर सारी कमांड यूज करोगे. आप सिंपल तरीके से भी कर सकते हो, इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हो. With open student.rb, rb means reading in binary as F. F will be a file object, and then inside that use everything. Okay, but this is your choice. Okay, students, any doubt in this? Now, in the case of your functions,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Vijay, Manveer, yes.
Sir, एक बार आप मुझे type of arguments revise करा दो with examples.
Okay. Nice. Yes. I'm taking one example here. Calculate. I am receiving 3 parameters. Okay, students, here STR, these are called actual parameter. So these are also called arguments. इन्हें arguments भी कहते हैं, actual parameter भी कहते हैं. And here ABC, these are formal parameter. Now, your arguments are of different type. When the parameter receive the value according to the position, these are called positional argument. For example, value of S will be received by A, value of T will be received by B, value of R will be received by C according to the positions. Position always start from your left hand side. Now this is called positional arguments. And another name of positional arguments are Yes, any student? Kshitij? Another name of positional argument. Ishmael?
सर इसका, यस सर, इसका अदर नेम होता है, क्या कहते सर, सर जो से मतलब कि आर्गुमेंट चाहिए होते हैं हमेशा उनकी, रिक्वायर्ड आर्गुमेंट आई थिंक, मुझे एक्चुअली
Required. These are called required argument. Next is named argument, या फिर इनको कीवर्ड आर्गुमेंट भी कहते हैं, जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि फॉर्मल पैरामीटर, एक्चुअल पैरामीटर, सॉरी फॉर्मल पैरामीटर को कौन सी वैल्यू मिलेगी वो लिख देते हैं. So this is called keyword arguments or named argument. So now positions are not required. The formal parameter take the value according to the named here, according to the value provided. So look at here, we provide b is equal to t. So b will receive the value of t. This c will receive the value of s, and a will receive the value of r. Manvia, clear hai? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Third type of parameters are called, arguments are called default arguments. In this, if we have given any default value to the actual formal parameter, in that case, we can skip the value at the time of calling. So S value of L, S will, A will receive the value of S, B will receive the value of T according to the position. Now we have not sent the value of C, so it will take default value. But remember one thing, if we send the value, default value will be ignored. So value of C will be 300, not 100, because we are providing the value. So these are called, which one? These are called the default argument. Next is, so these are the main three type of arguments. Now एक और आपके पास argument होता है जिसमें आपकी बुक में शायद define नहीं किया हुआ. इसे कहते हैं लैम्डा. मैं आपको एक मिनट इंटरनेट में भी सर्च करके बताता हूँ. लैम्डा, आई थिंक लैम्डा वर्ड होता है.
यस सर, लैम्डा है, मैंने देखा था बुक में.
देखा था ना आपने लैम्डा? ठीक है. In lambda function, we are not providing the limit for your parameters. So look at here. I am here using star a, and here a will be the tuple. ठीक है, एक टपल बन जाएगा और जितने पैरामीटर्स आप भेजोगे a में सेव हो जाएंगे. Suppose we are sending here 1 2 3 4 5 6, no limit. So these 6 variable will be received by a. A will be here tuple, and when we will display a, it will be display 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 is in a 0 location, 2 is in 1. So a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, like this. So any doubt in this?
No sir.
Okay. Now Manvia, concept is clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, madam. Okay, student, one topic which I started and still incomplete, that is LEGB. When in Python there are different type of your parameters are there, your arguments are there. Preference is given according to the one rule that is called LEGB. L stand for local environment. Then here G stand for enclosing environment, then G stand for global environment, and B stand for built-in environment. So always preference is given to the local environment. Local environment means suppose one variable is here, I take one variable A, and in function A is a global. In function I have one function data. Inside that I declare another variable B. A is equal to 20. If I print A, so definitely it will prefer its local variable. तो यहाँ पे लोकल वेरिएबल को सबसे पहले आपके पास प्रेफरेंस मिलती है. उसके बाद है आपके पास next is your enclosing environment. मैं बाकी वेरिएबल्स पहले डिक्लेयर कर देता हूँ, enclosing में आई एम डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. थर्ड आपके पास ग्लोबल है, तो इन ग्लोबल वेरिएबल if this variable is not there, then preference after that preference will be given to the global variable. built-in variables, कुछ variables built-in होते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे आपके पास है वैल्यू, आपके पास suppose I am using here Python. I am opening the Python. I use import math, then use math dot look at here. This is your built-in environment. These variables are preloaded pi, ठीक है. पर जब आप पाई इसके साथ हमें मैथ लगाना पड़ेगा, then it will refer कि आपके पास कौन सा वेरिएबल, it is a module based value. Ishwini, is clear?
Yes sir.
एक आपके पास मैंने आपको करवाना था भी, there is a another type that is called enclosing, because the definition given in your book is totally I think meaningless. में clear ही नहीं, वो concept ही नहीं clear है. मैं आपको यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
फंक्शन के अंदर फंक्शन एक और फंक्शन.
हाँ, वो that is enclosing. तो वो अनक्लोजिंग को सबसे पहले प्रेफरेंस देगा फंक्शन के. इन द केस ऑफ नेस्टेड फंक्शन, तो नेस्टेड फंक्शन अपने वेरिएबल को है तो वो लोकल वेरिएबल ही है, ठीक है, तो उसको प्रेफरेंस देगा. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द LEGB. दिस रूल इज कॉल्ड LEGB. ओके बेटा, ये कांसेप्ट क्लियर है बेटा? एनी डाउट इन दिस?
नो सर. सर आपसे मैंने डाउट पूछा था सर कि एक वो था ना फंक्शन फ्लश फंक्शन, वो उसका एक प्रोग्राम करवा दो.
हाँ चलो ऐसे करूंगा मैं, ट्राई की मैंने नोट कर लिया आपका. एक मिनट, आई विल सेंड की फ्लश फंक्शन का एक आपको कोडिंग वाला भेज दूं, क्योंकि कल आपके पास क्लास नहीं होगी, ठीक है. तो मैं आपको फ्लश फंक्शन क्या करता है कि जो भी उसकी मेमोरी में है वो सारा का सारा फाइल में राइट करेगा. मैं प्रोग्राम बना के भेजूंगा.
ओके सर. मेमोरी मतलब सर मेमोरी कैसे सर? बाकी फंक्शन
सपोज देखो, मैंने एक टेक्स्ट फाइल में राइट किया वेलकम टू +2. अब वो कंप्यूटर की रैम में भी पड़ा हुआ डाटा, तो
जी सर।
तो अपने फाइल में राइट कर दिया, इट्स ओके। तो उसकी मेमोरी में भी पड़ा हुआ है, तो जब आप फ्लश फंक्शन लगाओगे, जो कुछ मेमोरी में पड़ा होगा वो सारा का सारा राइट हो जाएगा फाइल।
अच्छा ठीक है।
ठीक है, इट मींस सेकंड टाइम सेम डाटा विल बी रिटर्न इन द फाइल।
ओके सर।
इसे बफर कहते हैं। ठीक है,
Yes,
बफर, बफर मींस शॉर्ट मेमोरी। ठीक है, नाउ टाइम इज ओवर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई विल शेयर द your marks along with your answer sheet जो आपने, but there